Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Wix to make blog websites in 2024. Of course, I'm going to show you how to create like a beautiful and functional blog website. Whether you want to share your thoughts, expertise, or even creative like writing. If you're a writer, as example, a blog is a perfect platform or a perfect website for you. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video, and simply, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, you'll need to go and open a browser. From here, Museum Brief for you. You can use whatever you want. Go to the URL section and just visit wix.com. If it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to a page like this. So wait, let me just show you. So it's basically your time will be taken to a page like this. You can click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up or get started instead to create an account. As you can see, you can use Google, Facebook, or even Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps if creating and even logging into your account if you have one of the accounts already. So once you're logged in, you will find yourself here in this screen. Basically here you'll find, of course, all the site that you have. But for us, we would like to create, as we said, a blogs website. So I'll just go here and create a new site. Of course, you have multiple choices, so it might get you confused, right? But don't worry. First or second option is basically creating a studio blank canvas. So you will have a site completely has nothing on it. So it's going to be a white page, blank. You have other two options, which is Studio Templates, where you find like just free templates, and you have Studio Templates Marketplace. Here, the marketplace, of course, you might find some free templates. For example, if we go to this panel, left panel, click on free. As you can see, you might find some free templates, but mostly you'll find paid templates, as you can see, most of them. So if you have money or if you want to spend a good amount on a good template, you can simply just go and browse through this marketplace. Other two options is simply this is an old option of editing like this Wix editor instead of Wix Studio. And this is of course to use your own templates. If you have already one template that you get it from, as an example, a site as a WordPress or something like that, you have it downloaded, you can simply just go and use this, your own template, and simply create your template or try to upload a new one. Of course, you can even create or use a template that's already using on an existing site that you have. You can use one of them. Or you can simply start from blank or start from blank with Wix Canvas or with Studio Canvas. It's up to you. And yeah, for me as example, here I'll just go and choose like Studio Templates. I guess, yeah, I already choose it since opening this tab. So here for me, I'll just go to this list panel, choose type, and here we'll have to look for blog. So there's no blog in here. As example, we'll need to look for blog. As you can see in features, we'll find the blog. So I'll just go and click on blog. Here, as you can see, you will find some blog templates. So as an example for me, like this, I'll view it first of all, see how it's looking like. Okay, it seems good. As an example, you can view how does it look on PC, tablet, and also in phone. This is very crucial for SEO rankings to keep that in mind. And because a lot of like people use just their phone to browse through websites, right? Like nowadays. So if you like it, you can simply just click on edit templates here or edit right here. So for me, I'll just go and click on edit templates right here. And I don't need those anymore, so I'll just close it. And I'll have to wait for the page until it loads. It should not take a lot of time, probably 20 to 30 seconds, and it should be loaded as intended. Of course, if you have multiple sites like me, make sure to create a folder, example, for important sites, because example here, all those sites probably I was trying out some stuff. So you have to give a name to your new site or create a folder and put it on as an example if you're trying a lot like me in here. So this should be loaded right now. As you can see, yeah, here's it. So once you just choose your templates, it's time basically to customize it however you want. You can start changing text, images, colors, and fonts to match your personal brands. Click on any elements as example to edit it, maybe this one. As you can see, you'll be able to edit everything about it with this option or even with this right option. Also, you'll be able to update your text. Of course, basically, if you go to the top right corner, make sure to update any information in the header, like put your name, brief introduction about you or what your blog is about. And yeah, that will be good. And of course, next, you can simply just set up blog or blog on the left sidebar. So if you go to this left panel, we'll find here some layers, of course. You'll be able to see some stuff to edit them specifically, as an example. You can even add some pages. As an example, you can create some multiple pages like a contact me page will be important, I guess, in a blog. So people can contact you if you want to, of course. If you don't want to, you don't have to add it. And of course, you can even start creating your first blog post. Within like your blog setup, it's time to create your first post. As an example, you can click on this plus button and you can add whatever you want. You can add the first of all an image. Of course, you can do it even in a separate page if you want to. You can add an image, title, paragraph, button, container, everything that you want in your blog. Shape, line, menu, gallery, repeater, video player, social bar, frame. You'll be able to add a lot of stuff as you say. And if we go to the search button example and type blog example, we'll find some posts, yeah, like this. So posts like list or something like that, you'll be able to see. So it's going to be like a blog. As you can see on this left panel, they take us right away into blog. And as you can see a lot of things that you can add simply to your website right away. Of course, I'll drag something here, but as you can see, I will not be able to, yeah, as you can see, you don't have any post to show. So you can simply click on it and click on add media to add it, then add the text. Of course, I did not add it in a good place. So I just try to show you like you basically can drag it to add it there. And it should be good to go. As an example, here I'll just go and delete it. So as I said, you can just go and add it in a whole page. You can click on this pages section and create a new page for your blogs or delete whatever page you want. For example, maybe you don't want this context page, you don't want this career page. Of course, it's all come with the template. So you can delete whatever page you want, you can add whatever page you want, and yeah. So add all the additional pages that you want or delete whatever you want. And make sure with like many users browsing through their phone, it's crucial that your blog should look great on all devices, especially mobile. So you can view how to look first of all on desktop, as we said, in tablets. You can edit it specifically in tablets if you edit it here in the tablet view, and the specifically for mobile view, you'll have to edit it if something is not looking right. Of course, because it's crucial that all blog or your blog should look all good on all devices. So here, make sure to adjust all the elements or any element that does not look right on a smaller screen, because like Wix automatically will optimize everything, your sites for mobile and tablets also. But it's good to check, of course, and make any tweaks as needed. And yeah, other than that, of course, you can try to upgrade your SEO ranking. Basically, you can go to settings and find out more about that, or basically just connect a domain. This will already like improve your SEO because it will make it easier for customers to remember your websites instead of this like long, as you can see, website name in here. And yeah, once you're done, you can simply preview your site first of all and check if everything is working, the menu and everything that you put. And if you're comfortable with that, just go and click on publish, and it will be published, of course, in your free domain, which is going to be something like this. For example, for me, I'll just add here blog, or just do like Omics blog or something like that. Then click on save and continue. Of course, you can even connect, as an example, your own domain if you want to. So that's going to be it for me today. As an example, it's like published. You can view the sites right away. And yeah, so that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.